then maybe I will check when first we download font. Now I install the Pixellab as a graphic designer who use a smartphone. Maybe check how we first will download and install. A lot of people face these challenges. Anytime we are facing such challenges, we intend and then solve once and for all. If you follow steps no one by one. First, you ever call a Google. Go font way, thing way, font. What was search? Go. I will select this one. The font on number. You pick via you with me download no ha. Doing a free with me download it. Then choose back on and download. Then download it. Lot of front and download it. This one. People download the so. But download the so. Download this folder. What type is so? I download every font on the here. But saying here one app apart from your browser and maybe here app will be a account. The yanko a Play Store. Then search it Zebda Kaiser. This app. This one. And we may order than may open. So we need our robot down install. And it will be app with to make my install that and open. So about ABC no about download. Also about download no about so na be. Yes, I'm quite sure. Want to know you load you na. Download you na. High Tech Project with me subscribe on Facebook and on YouTube. So in High Tech Project. So this is the font in the Wabosu. See about extract. Extract here, extract to extract Wabo. Third one also. Boswa, I see this arrow in the Waba download top Waba Bosso or select device storage Waba select Pixellab. So all phones like that Waba select Pixellab Wabosso. Extract Wabosi arrow so extract it. So we have so we have the you download the BIA sana obey no you obey BIA over download and now they are called and now person will make creative folder it be a font na or is portable I extract a font in here so we am called Pixellab and enter so I'm selected test way. This test. And then copy. Font. So you will call my font. I will search it. My font. And you want to put this folder. Second one also. Second folder also. I will back. Pixellab. Pixellab. Pixellab ay do beba. Font no ewo so nyina ahwehwe ha. Nti ebe selecting ye converting this here no. Ebe select here no. I hope so you follow step by step. This is how I obey no. Follow step no money. If I want to have these challenges in this, how to extract font no. Will be a font to be ground up. I want to download. Font never had those. Font. Okay, I'm searching her. The font maybe font ne download here no. Any okay. Oh, the font me. No. I have to subscribe mommy. Na follow na share videos na kanal.